My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the fake survey alerts and malicious pop-ups that come from the site Dailysurveyreward.online. In fact, this website also may be presented as some fake security warning. It claims to be related to the well-known security application, but there is no connection between these pop-ups and any decent security program. All these pop-ups, by the way, may be the result of some adware to be currently enabled in your computer. Now, if you see these pop-ups by Dailysurveyreward.online, don't interact with them. Don't download anything because, as I said, these pop-ups actually try to promote some potentially unwanted software. So don't interact with them. Now, I recommend that you thoroughly investigate your computer with the help of reliable antivirus, and I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner for this purpose. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the program, install it, and then start researching and investigating your computer in order to detect and remove other threats which could possibly be concealed on your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.